Nigerian Jollof, Ghana Jollof.
Oh, always Ghana Jollof.
Why?
We have the best of recipes for Jollof.
Oh.
You can really enjoy our Jollof. I actually think that the debate between Ghana Jollof and Nigerian Jollof should actually cease. It should be between Ghana Jollof and Senegalese Jollof.
How? Why?
Because they also have one of the good Jollofs on the continent of Africa.
So our own is not good.
Your own does not come closer to Ghana Jollof. Yes.
Why? Why?
Honestly, like,
why?
We have, Ghana Jollof, it tastes different. Like, Nigerians when they come, I know you've tasted Ghana Jollof.
Yeah,
how does it taste when you compare it?
Of course, I'll stand by my own.
Yeah, that's obvious, but
so
then
you're standing by your own.
Exactly, and I believe my own is the best.
Okay, yeah. Alright. Nigerian Jollof, Ghanaian Jollof.
Oh, come on, this shouldn't be an argument.
Why?
I'm going for Ghana Jollof.
Why?
Come on, it's the best.
Why?
Ghana Jollof.
Have you tasted Nigerian Jollof?
Yeah, but it's not extra. It's not
really.
No.
So yours is extra.
Yeah, Ghana is the best.
So Ghana Jollof, Nigerian Jollof. Ghana Jollof, Nigerian Jollof. Tell me, Ghana Jollof, Nigerian Jollof.
I believe this thing is not debatable. Like, it's a concrete something. It's Ghana Jollof.
How?
I've not really tasted Nigerian Jollof, but I've been seeing videos of it on TikTok and YouTube, but I think it's Ghana Jollof.
Ghana Jollof.
Yeah, but I've not tasted it. I'm yet. I would like to taste it sometime.
Okay, Nigerian Jollof, Ghanaian Jollof.
Well, I haven't tried Nigerian Jollof.
Okay.
But I love my own Ghana Jollof.
Hello everybody. So I'll be dropping full video very soon. And if you're not used to this environment, that is actually the University of Ghana. Yes, I came back to the university to do a student version, and I came with my kids, and they really loved the experience here. So just subscribe to my channel, guys, and expect the full video very soon. I had to drop this one because this has been the major competition between Nigeria and Ghana. It's always Nigerian Jollof, Ghana Jollof, this and that, but this is actually the major competition we've always had. So there it is in the prestigious Premier University of Ghana. Yes, I'm sure you guys will like what's happening to the video. It was a very it's raining season right now in Ghana, so that's why it was sort of like this. For my microphone, please apologies on that. Yes, I think I need to get something better, but please subscribe to my channel and expect the full video dropping very soon. All right, in the comment section, let me know Nigerian Jollof or Ghanaian Jollof. Let me know in the comment section. All right, everybody.